These two automation giants promise to supercharge your workflows. But which one actually makes life easier? On the left, the open source powerhouse N8N. And on the right, the robust enterprise favorite Tray.io. We're pushing them head to head in what matters most: flexibility, integrations, ease of use, pricing, and support. Forget the marketing lingo. Let's see how they really perform. Each round means points on the board, and by the end, you'll know exactly who stands out. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so real quick, let's map out what we'll be sizing up. Picture a mind map. At the center, we've got N8N versus Tray.io. And branching out are categories like pricing, flexibility, integration coverage, enterprise features, user experience, and community and support. That way, we're not missing anything crucial. First up, pricing. So N8N kind of takes a spotlight here. We're talking open source. You can literally self-host for free if you're that DIY type. Their cloud plans are pretty wallet-friendly, though heads up, if you want business-level support, you're going to pay extra. Tray.io, on the other hand, well, it's more like, show me the enterprise money. No real free tier, and pricing, let's be honest, it can run up fast. Not exactly what I'd call beginner-friendly. All right, let's talk flexibility. This is where N8N gets super exciting. You can customize workflows, use plugins, write your own code, and even self-host. It does mean you might need to put on your developer hat, though. Tray.io, it's slick if you like your UI clean and low-code, but, it doesn't let you go wild on coding or hosting. You kind of feel the walls closing in if you want deep tinkering. Now, integration coverage. And oh man, Tray.io isn't kidding. Thousands of SaaS connectors, tons of enterprise and API hookups. If you need Salesforce, SAP, HubSpot, you name it, Tray.io probably has it. N8N's connectors are solid, lots of pre-built nodes, and the community is adding more all the time. But not all connectors are super polished yet, so you might run into some quirks. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. The name N8N actually stands for Nodemation. Yep, it's their way of saying node plus automation. Now that's geeky branding. Moving on, enterprise features. Tray.io is like the enterprise playground. We're talking advanced audit logs, super tight security, deep system integrations, SOC 2, the whole shebang. But you're going to pay for that VIP experience. N8N also has role-based access and SSO, but let's be real. It's not as tricked out as Tray.io unless you spring for the premium stuff. All right, user experience. Both tools are pretty modern. Visual builders, drag and drop galore. N8N's got a fresh look and a passionate fan community if you get stuck, but it helps a lot if you've got a technical streak. Tray.io, meanwhile, feels super polished. Nice onboarding, tons of walkthroughs, although some folks say those multi-step flows can get hairy quick. So this one's a pretty even match. Last but not least, community and support. This one's fun because N8N basically has a fandom. Big open source scene. Folks shipping new nodes, templates, like weekly. If you want enterprise-grade help, sure, you'll need to pay. Tray.io has solid customer success teams, but honestly, the community is smaller and kind of locked behind that paywall. You'll probably feel a little less connected. If you stack these two up on like a radar chart, you'll see N8N really shines in flexibility, pricing, and community. Tray.io swings back hard with integrations and enterprise features. User experience, both are neck and neck, so honestly, it's down to what you vibe with. So who's the winner? If you care about unleashing developer-level powers without breaking the bank, N8N wins it, no contest. But if your team's huge and integrations plus bulletproof security are non-negotiable, Tray.io really flexes that enterprise muscle. Either way, you can't go wrong, but for most folks, N8N just does more for less. If you found this workflow showdown useful, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more no-code and automation tool deep dives. And seriously, drop your automation horror stories or success hacks in the comments. See you in the next